let's take a closer look at a couple of things that I really love, but also something that I don't particularly care for with this Sharp Carousel microwave. So first off, it is so cute. It's really shiny. I will say it shows the fingerprints a little bit. The other thing was it came with a layer of protection on here. It was blue in color. Getting it off of this button was so difficult, and you can see that this one is really showing fingerprints, and there's a reason why, which I'll explain in a second. It is nice and deep. It heats up really quickly. I've just been loving how powerful this is. But the thing that I really don't care for, and I'm sure I can probably turn it off in the instructions, I just haven't looked yet, is when it's done, it actually locks. So I'm really not used to it. I've been pressing on this button really hard. So you have to hit this unlock. I think that'd be great, like if you have kids that like go in the microwave, make sure they're like not getting in there. But for me, it just is an extra step that I have to unlock it and then press the button. It does have lots of heat settings here. The express cook is really nice. I also really like that you can reheat things by ounces. I am a coffee reheater, so you just hit the reheat button, and then it will let you choose if you're doing 9 ounces, 12 ounces, or 18 ounces, which is a really nice feature. So all in all, I've been liking it. Just really getting used to that unlock button has been a big thing.